What's up guys, this is girl Vheonix and welcome back to another video. This is my first video of 2026, so happy new year. I just wanted to do a quick sit down chit chat video with you guys because I just wanted to make it clear of what an architect actually does. So I recently met a drafter who wants to become an architect one day. She was hoping to bypass architecture school and simply log in hours at her current job under an architecture firm. But here's the reality. Becoming an architect isn't just about producing technical drawings. If you're a drafter with the goal of becoming an architect, formal architectural education is and should be a must. The requirements may vary based on location. Also do your research on your own. Architecture goes far beyond construction documents. Architects wear many hats on a project, and that's something drafting alone doesn't fully prepare you for. A great architect solves spatial problems that affect real people, shaping environments and communities in ways that improve the quality of life. In architecture school, if you guys may know, we go through countless design exercises and iterations, and the process really trains you how you think, how to explore ideas, test them, fail, revise, and improve. So you also learn directly from practicing architects who challenge your assumptions and push your thinking. That guidance matters, okay? When the focus is only completing drawings without understanding the why behind them, it's just useless. Now, if drafting is your craft and you enjoy it, that's really great. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that because you guys are very talented and knowledgeable in your craft. But if your goal is to become an architect, it's important to understand what the role actually involves. So I'm here to guide you through it. Number one, the architect is a designer, the creative and technical lead of a project. They're responsible for the overall vision, spatial planning, functionality, and material choices. Though don't get that mixed up with an interior designer, that's completely different on its own. In my experience, I've had the chance to actually design certain building components for multiple commercial projects, which I'm really thankful for, so thank you, boss. There are architects whose craft mainly focuses on project management, which is really awesome. But even though design isn't their strong suit, hey, they still went through the same struggle of designing in school. So they still have a background and know how to develop a concept to create something meaningful for people. Number two, they're the point of contact. The architect is the primary point of contact for the client, their needs, the budget, and goals into a built solution. Number three, they're the project coordinator, working with consultants such as the structural, mechanical, electrical, civil engineers to bring everything together into one cohesive design. Number four, code and safety advocate. The architect is responsible for checking the building code, zoning, accessibility requirements, and ultimately they're going to be stamping the drawings at the end. So the last point that I want you guys to understand about an architect is that they have a specific focus. So it could either be commercial, residential, landscape, government, historical architecture, and many more. So I'm going in my 6th year of professional experience, and I primarily work on commercial architecture, and I always learn something new from a friend who specifically works with residents or landscape. They have their own rules and regulations, and I always learn a lot from them. Okay, so I hope this video helps anyone considering a career in architecture or someone who just wants a better understanding or just a quick explanation of what an architect does. Share this with a friend, a family member, someone who needs these tips, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!